People in New Zealand are so nice. Watch what happens when I let the people behind me pass, because this is a really scary road to go fast. Well, we got one double honk, but normally they all double honk. But isn't that cool? Every time. Today we are road tripping from Nelson to Abel Tasman National Park. This is our first stop point. Just a lookout. It looks nice. I did realize though, New Zealand is making me a coffee lover. I did not drink coffee back home. I drink iced tea, but iced tea is not really a big thing here. So I tried iced coffee and I think I'm addicted now. I have noticed that since I'm not a normal coffee drinker, it's definitely affecting me in a weird way. I decided to talk about my future. Ray has sat in the passenger seat and heard me talk about babies, retirement, how we can travel, like maybe travel the Trans-Siberian Highway, travel to Ireland, come back to New Zealand. When we retire, maybe we could get a camper van or like start staying at hostels. And hello rain, hello spring. This is the Te Waikoropupu Spring. It is the largest cold water spring in the Southern Hemisphere and has some of the clearest water in the world. Do you see that little duckling? Lunch today. Blackened cow, bread, jelly bean tomatoes, snap cubes, chips. We always get here when there's a 12-minute wait. It's okay. So we switched things up a bit today. We went up and around Abel Tasman National Park to do the spring this morning, and then we came back around, and now we're going to do a coastal part of a coastal walk. The whole thing takes several days to do, and there's a water taxi service that can drop you off at any bay along the way to walk back. We decided, since it's getting later in the day and it's rainy, not to do that, and instead we're walking from the beginning over to Apple Tree Bay, which is about an hour and a half walk, and then we'll take an hour and a half walk back. So it'll be a fun, short walk. It's starting to drizzle a little harder. Ray's trying to blame it on the fact that I took off my rain jacket, but
big mistake.
I'm gonna hold strong a little bit. We'll see.
Yep.
I jinxed us.
Big time.
It lasted like 5 minutes. Kayakers. And bays here are known for being some of the prettiest in New Zealand. But unfortunately, you can't always control the weather. So you win some, you lose some.
No lounging for us.
No, but still fun. The stingray. Ah, come back. Of the day. That's right. So the Marlborough region is known for their great wines. They have tours from Picton and Nelson. Unfortunately, Ray and I do not have time to do that tour, so we'll probably pick up a bottle of wine at some point. But instead, we're gonna do some brewery hops, knowing this guy here.
Well, the region is known for their hops as well.
Oh, okay. So it's valid. A Coca-Cola spider, as they say in New Zealand. Well, in summary, Nelson was great. I would definitely recommend spending 2 full days here though. We only had the one, and because of the rain, didn't get the best opportunity for hikes, and even if we did, that second day, I would have liked to have done a winery tour. So 2 days to enjoy the Dolphin. Sadly, we have to say goodbye to that view now, as we're off. Around this curve, we saw one of the spooky birds that aren't afraid of us, have sharp teeth. Oh my god, there he was, he was running away. He's running! And they made this deep-throated, creepy noise. Oh shit!
Okay.
Go away! Oh my god, what is it doing?
It's hunting for us.
Seriously, you birds are creepy.